Alright. Oh, maybe I should bring that closer. That means readjusting and everything. Okay, alright, you can come closer. I think you can come closer for this. I'll adjust this down so you're not going to really see my face. You just saw it, so that'll do yes. Here we go. A bit closer. Is that alright? Yeah, I think that'll do. Alright, so as you know or may not know, this was a free gift. Alright, look. I thought what I was maybe getting was going to be a bit bigger, so I'm not really sure what's in here now. And again, it's a free gift, so, well, whatever, it is what it is, yeah. Can you tell me why they put tape around? I don't get it. Everything I've sort of received lately is taped around. I can't help myself. I have to take the tape off for some reason. I can't just tear into the bag. Oh look, that's heavy. But I think the bag will calm me. Just hurry up and open it. Okay, look. There we go. We'll cheat a little. I think the item got impatient with me. Ooh, it's a no. Oh, it actually looks nice in the box. It's not too bad for a free gift, eh? That's why I'm like, maybe I should plug this place because they were pretty honest and like, you know, how about we give you this as well? Or, like I said, I couldn't really say no. What was it? To begin with, the item was pretty cheap, so it was like half price. And we'll give you this as well. Like, I think these sell for more than what just those sheets were. So extremely good value, like crazy value. So anyway, this is, you probably saw, we'll see if we can get it all in frame. Can you read all that? Because you're reading it before me. And there's the back. Alright, so let's see, it's Suitu ST6636 multi-function vacuum cleaner for your car seats maybe. I don't know why you wouldn't just have a car. Well, that could be something else. Your couches, your house. Suitable for portable mini home and car. Again, you read that. This side doesn't really have anything. And then here we have, what's that? Oh yeah. Oh, it's not l'accessories, it's just a bracket of some sort. So why would you have that there? I don't know. But they're the accessories apparently. I hope I didn't just get a box of accessories. I don't think so. That is tiny. Now let's hit the instructions first. But I think we all know I'm not going to read them, we're just going to pull this out and start fiddling with it. Any English? Car vacuum cleaner. What are they called? HEPA filters. Says dustbin, LED light, power switch, parts, USB cord, all the other little bits that will show you. In here it says charging base. I don't see no charging base. This is 120 watts at 7.4 volts. It probably means nothing to you, kind of does to me a little bit. Connect the charger. Yeah. Oh, actually I should read that, shouldn't I? Charging time, for example, just give me a second. No, because then I can't read it. Give me 1 minute. I don't know, we'll just guess it. I'm sure the light turns off or something once it's done. And so long as you leave it on for a little bit after. In case you want to read it, you'll probably need to pause it though, because I'm not going to see you holding it up all day. There you go. I hope you can read that. I'll stop it here. And then we'll move over to here. So just pause it if you want to read it properly. Oh, I just saw something. No, maybe I didn't. Alright. I'm not going to read that. I'll pull out all these little bits and see what we got. That in your view. Okay. It's I don't know, what is that? Little head. I don't know, getting into all the little crevices and that. I suppose you could even use this to, oh, it's a vacuum cleaner. I was going to say you could use this to stick in and blow up items and blow them up. Maybe you still can, we'll get to that. Couple little brushes. Why you need different sizes, I don't know, but that's probably fine. That they are handy for their own little uses. That is actually connected to this. And I think maybe that is meant to go on there. Not sure. Now, alright, we'll pull out the instructions for a second. I should actually have a look. You already have. Yes, I think that goes like that. And this goes on here. Sorry, was this in the way? And this goes on here if you want to use that brush. So, like that. That's exactly right. That fits on like that if that's what you want to use. We'll just leave it on there for now. And then, strangely, this goes onto here. Right. And this, let's get this out. So small. I presumed it would have been bigger, but whatever. Still cool. So this just fits straight onto it. Can you put this on? Nice if you could extend it. You know, have a bit of a normal vacuum cleaner going on. You could, but it wouldn't work. I don't think it'll fit on there. It would if you didn't have the brushes. Yeah. No, that's no good. Actually, you know what? It would fit in there. If those little bristles weren't there. Oh, hang on. No, it wouldn't. And that doesn't really work either. Yeah, it would have been good if somehow you could fit this onto like that or something. I'd say that just goes onto there if that's how you want to use it. I should have plugged this in while we were talking. Because it's not good to use something straight out of the box. You should put it on charge first, and generally they take hours. We'll use this. I think it should be okay. We can Still talk while it charges. See, there's the light, there's the light. So I presume it would go off, would it? Connects the charger, the battery, when they're charging the light off. So what? The light is on when the battery is full. You charge, the indicator light of the is green. Okay. So that could be hours away. Why they got sticky tape on here, I don't know. Is it holding the button down? Should I take it off? Oh, literally it was holding that cap down. Maybe so it doesn't turn on during shipping. Still, that should be like a optional little cap thing so you don't turn on, it doesn't turn on in the car or something if you've got it floating around the car. Alright, so we'll take this off. There's a little filter. Obviously there's a little flap in there. It's meant to stop anything coming back out. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's very loose in there. So I suppose if you're not careful, stuff's still going to come out of there. It's a, yeah, very flimsy, rubbery material. Maybe it could have been a little bit stiffer. And yes, what I was looking at before, I think you can do what I was saying and possibly inflate things. This fits in here, which it does, I think. Yeah. I don't know if it's meant to go in there, but it definitely fits. You could use it this way to inflate something. Or a mini blower. Should we try it? I don't know, should you take this off if you're going to use it as a blower? What do you recommend? Because it doesn't really say that in the instructions, does it? Did you see it? I didn't see it because I didn't read the instructions. Well, it does actually say blowing. Blowing, it is suitable for inflation, there we go, of small equipment such as what? Life buoy and the balloon. It can also clean the fine dust in various gaps, blah blah blah. It's too small to read, I don't know, I think I'm going blind. Oh, that's better. Still so small. It can be whatever. For the sake of it, we'll just take this off. We'll try it with both. Yeah, first we'll do it like this. And keep in mind it's probably like flat. Try leaving it in, just for the extra bit of power. No. Yeah, it's probably or like flat, so don't expect much. Oh, yeah. For a bit. Let's try like this. Actually, it's probably best to have this on so you don't suck up anything. I don't know. But then I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah. Pretty good for its size. Try it out. Oops. I think this might be restricting a bit too much. I think I can feel it coming out of the charging port down here. It is. Getting stronger now, just cover the hole. Yeah. Still coming out of there. Oh, it's to keep it cool whilst it's charging so it doesn't overheat. It's designed that way. Pretty cool little vacuum cleaner. I am very happy with my little gift, thank you very much. Yeah, I don't know if I don't know if I should name this seller, because they did kind of try to take care of me and look after me. And you know, this obviously is a cost for them and the extra to send it. So I really do appreciate it, and obviously they've technically spent money on me. I haven't bought anything from them. But that's great. I'm very happy. I'll tidy this up. Probably rearrange this camera again and we'll get on to the next item. Which might take us a while because I think I went a bit crazy on these things. We'll see together. Alright.